Hello, welcome to How To channel. Today I will be teaching you, yes dear customer, viewer, how to drive like Ruski. So, my name is Boris. Today I'll be teaching you how to drive like true Russian. Number one thing to drive like Russian is that you have to first be in shitbox car. Shitbox car is car that barely move. If you try to drive this car, it will probably break on you 5 million times, but don't worry, this is the Russian way. Preferably the car should be Lada. Number two, always have vodka. You see, vodka increases your focus when driving in game. And so you should always have vodka when driving. Look at me drive with vodka. Wow, so good. Number three, if you want to drive like two Ruski, then you have to always avoid the police here. Because the police here are number one pieces of cake. If you look at police here, run. You have good shitbox Lada car, you can run. If you can't run, then hide. Number four, if you want to drive like true Russian Chad, then always play Russian music in car, such as if you want to also be really good at Russian driving, then you can play games like Russian Truck Driving Simulator, as it will help you in your driving. Please subscribe to channel.